Greetings. I love pears very much, so I want to share with you the recipe for pear pie. Four to 5 pears, finely chopped. I made this pie according to the recipe for apple charlotte, which I was delighted with. Cut out the centers and sides of the pears. Three eggs, beat a little. Add a pinch of salt. Add sugar, about 200 grams. You can add a little less because pears are quite sweet. Beat eggs with sugar for 6 to 8 minutes until you get this type of mixture. Add 150 grams of flour and half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix by hand. Line our baking dish with baking paper. Add chopped pears. While we're at it, turn on your oven to preheat to 180 Celsius, 356 Fahrenheit. Pour our dough into the mold. Use a spatula to help the dough fill the entire pan. Place in the oven at 180 Celsius, 356 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Check the readiness with a toothpick. If it is dry after piercing the pie, our pie is ready. Tell us what city and country you are watching this recipe from, so that I can say hello to you in the next videos. The smell of pears is simply fantastic. Why I love this type of pies is that they don't take long to cook. Preparation doesn't take much time either, and the result is amazing. The cake turns out very airy due to the fact that we beat the eggs with sugar until fluffy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is very important for the growing of the channel. Thanks for watching.